Have you ever set up a server or connected Ethernet cables without thinking about the little components that make it all possible? One crucial element in many systems is the pass-through connector. But what is it exactly, and why is it important? There's two types of connectors, standard and pass-through connectors. The key difference is that with the pass-through connectors, wires go all the way through and are cut with a crimping tool, while the standard connectors, the wires are stripped, trimmed, and seated before the connector is crimped. Pass-through connectors are ends that allow two or more parts of a system to connect, transmitting signals, data, or power, allowing wires to extend through the connector, which allows the installer to visually confirm the correct wire order before crimping, creating a reliable and easy connection. For installation, a specialized crimping tool is used to secure the plug and trim the excess wire that extends beyond the pass-through connector, making setup faster and reducing points of failure. They are often used in applications where maintaining signal quality and minimizing interference is critical. The advantages of pass-through connectors are abundant. It simplifies the installation process, reduces errors like incorrect wiring order, insufficient seating, and minimizes the waste of cable. The key takeaway is that while standard connectors have been a long-term norm, pass-through connectors offer an easier and more reliable method for terminating Ethernet cables by providing a visual confirmation step and a simpler crimping process. Understanding pass-through connectors help you appreciate the convenience and reliability they bring to your Ethernet system. Understanding pass-through connectors help you appreciate the convenience and reliability they bring to your systems. Whether you're a hobbyist or professional, knowing about these components can make your setup more efficient. Thank you so much for watching. For more tech insights and tutorials, subscribe and stay updated. Until next time.